Machines have always been able to generate data, but they haven't always been able to communicate that data. So the lingua franca of a machine is really the log file or something like it. And that data has always been there, but to be able to index it, to parse it down to its smallest parts, and then be able to search it or report on it or analyze it is new. So we see elevator companies indexing their elevator data to understand user patterns, predictability for lease renewals and the like. We see agriculture they're indexing the data coming off of tractors with the GPS information to understand what direction to tell it to go, how to apply additional spray, that sort of thing. You see customers in the telco business that are using your phone data to say, where did you go after the soccer match? What traffic patterns are you following? Electric car companies generating and indexing the data from their cars to say, when did you last receive a charge, how much range did you have left? All that data that's being generated by devices is causing an explosion of new uses.
We spent the last 8 years building a business, helping consumers, helping professionals, and almost as a byproduct of that, we've built this incredible data asset about an enormous asset class in the US. So you think about the data that sits on our platform. We know where consumers are searching, where they're not searching, what homes are selling, what's not selling, how much they're selling it for. And so we have incredible granular information on what is happening in this enormous asset class. And we're starting to surface some of that data on the experience to help consumers and help professionals. But I think if you look over the next several years, turning that data into insights is going to be another transformative effect on the real estate industry. And as you start to collect more of this data, incredible things can happen. And I think that's not only to help consumers to get more understanding of like, how much should I pay for this home? What is the neighborhood? What's the crime rate in this area? But also to help professionals become more effective.